travel, words like civil unrest, weather, or the dreaded non-refundable ticket can make you not even want to go on the trip to begin with. What happens if any of that stuff happens? Well, you may be out of luck. Hence the words travel insurance. But what kind of travel insurance do you need? Well, there are a number of types of insurance. Some of it you don't need. Flight insurance, forget it. If the plane goes down, hey, you won't be around to collect anyway. There's something called trip cancellation and interruption insurance. Now, you may need that if you have a big investment in your trip, like a $3,000 or $4,000 cruise. But you never want to buy that insurance from the cruise operator themselves, because if they go out of business, so does your insurance. Buy it from a third party, and any travel agent can sell it to you. And basically, they're different kinds. Some of them allow you to cancel for any reason whatsoever, and that premium is about 16% of the cost of the trip. Others, well, if you get sick or someone dies, but you have to have proof. At least you get your money back. Now, if you have a $59 ticket on Southwest Airlines, why would you insure that? Go with God on that one. And then there's the insurance I like the best and hope I never have to use it. It's called medical evacuation and repatriation insurance. That means if you get sick or injured anywhere overseas, they'll send a medically equipped plane to get you and fly you where you need to go. Now, even that type of insurance differs. You got to read the fine print very carefully. You want the insurance that lets you fly to the doctor and medical facility of your choice. A lot of insurance offers that deal, but it's to the doctor and medical facility of their choice. And trust me, you don't want to end up in a bad HMO in Rwanda. So bottom line is, medical evacuation and repatriation insurance, about $350 to $375 a year. It's an annual premium. We hope you never have to use it, but carry that card, because if you don't, the cost of getting you home could be easily in six figures.